Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the display cable on a Dell G3 version 3779. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First unscrew, then use fingers to pry apart and remove base cover. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Next, disconnect display cable. Now unscrew and disconnect wireless card. Then unscrew and lift left hinge. Now unscrew and lift right hinge. Now separate display assembly from palm rest. Now use fingers to separate and remove bezel. Now unscrew and turn over screen. Then disconnect and remove screen. Then unscrew and remove right hinge. Now disconnect display cable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.